Check this out. Yeah, I know. Y'all done heard this beat over and over and over again. But it's only right if I did my fair share to say what I got to say to it, you know what I'm saying? So, listen. Boy, you wish you had my swag. Real cocky, yeah, I'ma brag. I'm so ahead, you jet lag. Finish line, nigga, check the flag. Got you hanging by the waistline. Another notch, but that's just fine. Started from the bottom, now you decline. Man, you creeping more than a grapevine. The time is money, I'm spending wine. And let that verse flow through your mind. A life like this should be a crime. Fucking my nigga, I pay the fine. I got Bama on my snapback. Roll Tide on my backpack. Crimson colored number 3s. Houndstooth on my skinny jeans. Boy, stop, I don't wear those. But you get my point, though. Alabama from head to toe. Born and raised in 334. Well, grandma is your mama. Damn near everybody else your cousin. You call your fam your kinfolk. Down here blood thicker than water. Now, boy, you know I'm all about this. Star power just like a rocket. You can't stop it. My heart's throbbing. Car don't stop till the cops knocking. Stop cop blocking. Let a nigga be. I'm trying to make a scene out on the scene. From the center stage to the big screen. I'm like Tupac, all eyes on me. When I step in the spot, it's VIP. On the road to glory, so y'all can know me. Clap, clap, bravo, encore me. I love my crown, long live the king.